What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see it? Y'all see by the thumbnail, we back at it again. This ain't no auto video right here, but I already told y'all it was coming. Y'all know I'm doing it with all my people that's in the fitness game, I should say. All my people that's in the fitness game. Then I got it coming with some of my I'm gonna do this same challenge with my partners. So look, I'm gonna get my little bro Steve Davis. I gotta get him in here on it. We're gonna let me see who else we need to get on it. Cool Car KJ. Hey man, I gotta get Daryl DB. I need to get all them in here on this. All of them on the challenge. I told y'all I'm doing the ladies first. I'm doing my people first or whatever. So you know, put a little money in their pocket, but they all in the fitness game. So hey, we're gonna do them first. So y'all know we had this coming. We did it so far we did it with Wifey. We did it with Sabrina, and now we about to do it with All Scene. So, we're gonna have this coming. Then we still gotta get Lady Tank. I believe Terry trying to duck and dodge, y'all. We gotta get her in here though. So you see this video, you know your time is coming, Terry. Your time is coming. So yeah, like I said, comment below. Only people that I rock with now. Don't just start commenting random YouTubers and all that. Like I said, we're gonna get Steve over here, Steve Davis. Gonna get my boy KJ, Cool Car KJ, cause them my bros. We got Daryl, we're gonna get them. So after we do Lady Tank, then it's gonna be it for the ladies, called all them. They like my family. And then y'all know of course Wifey is my wife. So, you know, after we do them, then we're gonna get into the fellas. So y'all comment below the YouTubers y'all seen me collab with, and we're gonna make it happen. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, look, I told All Scene she gonna do her thing because she got the Incredible shirt on. So it's about to go down. But look, the first thing we doing is what she dread. The push-ups. Why? So the push-ups your kryptonite?
It is. Anything upper body.
Y'all comment below and tell me, y'all, do she look like the push-ups or kryptonite and all this?
Look at the difference. Like
she said, look at the difference.
There's a big difference here. DT arms.
So look, the first thing is the push-ups. So what I do for the push-ups, look, this funny now. I want y'all to see how much. Comment below how many y'all think she gonna do. Comment below how many y'all think she gonna do. Y'all saw on the other. Let's full body. There you go. Now comment below how many push-ups you think she gonna do first. Pause it. Comment below, cause she said it's her weakness. So when I hear weakness, I think 10 push-ups. Every Wifey did more than 10. Sabrina did more than 10. I'm pretty sure she gonna do more than 10. So let me think. 11. She said 11. One more. Okay. So this is what we're gonna do. For every push-up you do, $2.
Okay.
I did this with everybody. Everybody, it was $2 a push-up cost. It was kind of, sort of everybody's weakness. So $2 a push-up, y'all. That's what she got. So y'all keep the total, and we about to get to it.
Fresh beef. Fresh beef.
y'all.
Also about the face plant.
So y'all, I had to cut it on right after she get finished. Y'all can get the real life perspective, cause we roll music over the actual action, you know. So how you feeling?
Good.
Good. So she got 24. She was about at the 25th one. So we're gonna give her 25 though. We're gonna give her 25. So at $50. She at $50 so far, y'all. First exercise, she out to a good start. So hey, that's good, y'all. So we're gonna check them comments, see who was right, who got the closest and all that. So the next exercise she gonna be doing is now we got bench and we got leg press. We decided we're gonna do the leg press last. We're gonna do leg press last. So we're gonna be rolling to bench. So y'all just stay tuned, and then when we get to that, y'all gonna comment below how much y'all think she's gonna do on the bench. All right, y'all. So we checking back in. We back. We've been shooting some stuff for her Instagram and all of that. Deadlifting, y'all gotta see what she did. She pulled some big weight up too. Y'all gotta go see that on Instagram. But we're on the bench. Now I'm gonna give you 3 options. She got a pretty strong bench, so I want y'all to comment. Well, not yet. Let's give you the option. All right, so now either, let me think. You can do 135 at $3 a rep, or you can do 160 at $5 a rep, or you can do, let me see, we said 3, 5, or you can attempt, I'm just gonna say this because she already done it before. No, we're gonna say 170 because she did 175 before. Or you can do 170 for just $20 a rep. So to go over it again, 135 at $3 a rep, 160 at $5 a rep, or 170 at $20 a rep. What you thinking?
Oh goodness. I want to say the 135, but I'm gonna go for 160.
The 160 at $5 a rep. All right. So
probably be the one, but that's fine. That's
so
fine.
y'all comment below. Comment below how many reps y'all think she gonna do. 160 at $5 a rep. So we finna load the bar up. Right now we got this 165. So we're gonna put a half on there, and then she's gonna be at 160. So y'all stay tuned.
Fresh beef. Fresh beef.
All right, y'all. So we checking back in. I don't know what y'all guess, but she did 2 reps. That's impressive, man. 160 pounds, 2 reps. So she made $10 right there. So she is at where we at? You did 25, 50, $60. Her leg press is the last exercise. This gonna be the strong exercise. I always try to give everybody one that they excel at, and her legs are the strongest part. So squats, leg press, deadlifts, and all this stuff, she do some big numbers. But like I said, y'all gotta go over to her Instagram. Go follow. Some of y'all follow already from the first video when she rode in the Camaro. But go follow, go check that out. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. So we checking in. So look, this is what we're gonna do for a third exercise. I told y'all it's gonna be leg press. So I'm giving y'all this before we go in there cause the music blasted. So I gave her the options of I said she can go for reps or she can go for a new PR. Just one solid rep, $50. But I said it got to be at least $700. Y'all probably said, man, that's a lot, but just trust me. So obviously she picked the 1 rep, so that's what we about to get in here and do. We're gonna go for the 7, and then y'all just comment below whether y'all think she gonna hit it or not, and then just stay tuned.
Fresh beef. Fresh beef.
All right, so we checking in, y'all. We checking in. So we back. Y'all just saw the clip. I'm gonna get you over here, cause we in the mirror. Tell tell me how you feeling, cause you just did 720 pound one rep. Never been on that weight before.
No. How do I feel?
Yeah.
Incredible.
Look, she got that incredible shirt
I
on.
feel incredible.
Man, look, 720 pounds. That's impressive. That's impressive. So next time, what we going for next time?
900.
900.
Yeah.
900 pounds, man. I already think she gonna get it, man. She gonna get it. So look, I told her that was a $50 rep. That was a straight $50 rep. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to send her cash out. What is it? 110. 110. She made $110. I told her, look, I said it was gonna be the quickest $50 you ever made. She made $50 in some seconds, in less than 10 seconds. So 50 on the leg press. What was it on the bench? You did $10 on the bench, and she did 50 on the push-ups. 50 on the push-ups. So that's a decent payday for quick, for the amount of time. $110 in less than an hour. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. So look, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to flood her social media. Go flood her social media. Drop a comment. Let her know you saw on the video. Tell her she did a good job, man. Y'all know we're about uplifting each other over here. Positive vibes. So yeah, y'all go do that. I appreciate y'all. I'll catch y'all later. I'm out.